What if I told you that thousands of creators are making money from AI generated music on YouTube without being professional singers, without owning an expensive recording studio, and in many cases without even knowing how to play a single musical instrument? Sounds unbelievable? Here's the truth. AI has completely changed the music industry. Today, anyone can create professional quality songs using artificial intelligence. But here's the problem. Most people think that simply generating AI songs and uploading them to YouTube will make them rich. That is completely wrong. In fact, thousands of channels are getting rejected from YouTube monetization because they don't understand one very important rule. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to create AI music the right way, how to avoid copyright problems, how to make videos YouTube actually wants to monetize, and how creators are turning AI generated music into a real income stream. Let's get started. I will break it down in parts. Part 1. Can AI music really be monetized? The short answer is yes, but not every AI music video can be monetized. YouTube doesn't ban AI generated music. Instead, YouTube rewards originality. This means your videos must provide meaningful value. If you simply generate a song with AI, add a static picture, and upload hundreds of nearly identical videos, there's a high chance your channel will not qualify for the YouTube Partner Program. Why? Because YouTube wants creators, not automated uploaders. The good news is that AI can be a powerful creative tool when combined with your own ideas. Think of AI as your music producer, not your replacement. Part 2. The best AI music tools. Let's look at some of the best AI music generators available today. Suno AI, one of the easiest AI music generators. You simply type a motivational pop song about success. Within minutes, Suno creates lyrics, vocals, instruments, and mastering. It's perfect for beginners. Udio is another excellent platform. Many creators prefer it because of its realistic vocals and better control over song styles. It works well for pop, rock, hip hop, country, and many other genres. AIVA focuses more on instrumental music. It's ideal if you want cinematic background music, piano tracks, or orchestral compositions. Perfect for meditation channels, documentaries, and study music. SoundRaw great for creators who need copyright-friendly background music. You can customize mood length, tempo, genre, energy. This makes it excellent for YouTube creators. Stable Audio. If you need professional quality instrumentals, Stable Audio is another great option. Many creators use it for podcasts and commercial projects. Part 3. Creating AI music that people actually listen to. One mistake beginners make is creating random songs. Instead, think about your audience. Ask yourself, who am I making music for? Study music listeners, relaxation lovers, gym enthusiasts, sleep music fans, Christian worship audiences, Afrobeats lovers, lo-fi fans, children, motivational music. Successful AI music channels usually focus on one niche instead of trying to create every type of music. Consistency helps YouTube understand your audience. Part 4. How to avoid copyright problems. This is extremely important. Never assume every AI generated song can be used commercially. Always check the licensing terms of the AI platform you're using. Some free plans may limit commercial use. Others require a paid subscription before you can monetize your creations. Also remember, never use copyrighted vocals. Never remix copyrighted songs without permission. Never upload famous artists' voices unless you have the legal rights. Even if AI can imitate a famous singer, using that voice without authorization can create legal and platform issues. Building your own original sound is the safest long-term strategy. Part 5. How to make YouTube approve your channel. This is where many people fail. Uploading AI music alone is usually not enough. Instead, make every video feel original. For example, create animated visualizers, add original lyric videos, design beautiful thumbnails, tell the story behind the song, create relaxing nature videos with your music, use cinematic AI generated visuals, produce meditation experiences, create motivational quote videos using your original AI music, mix your own arrangements, build playlists around specific moods. The more creativity you add, the stronger your channel becomes. Remember, people don't subscribe because music was made with AI. They subscribe because the music makes them feel something. Part 6: Ways to earn money beyond AdSense. Even before your channel is monetized, you can earn from your AI music. Some options include selling licenses for your original songs, streaming your music on Spotify, Apple Music, and Amazon Music, selling background music to YouTubers, offering custom AI music for businesses, creating music packs for video creators, building a loyal audience that supports your work through memberships or donations. Diversifying your income can make your music business more sustainable. Conclusion: AI has opened the door for anyone to become a music creator, but success on YouTube isn't about pressing one button. It's about combining AI with your own creativity, originality, and consistency. If you focus on making music that people genuinely enjoy and package it with engaging visuals and thoughtful presentation, you'll have a much better chance of building a monetized channel that lasts. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AI, YouTube, and online income tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.